Hi, welcome to the 5th week of your final project. This week will be dedicated to getting ready for your presentation. You'll be spending some time outlining your speech and preparing your visual aid that you'll use while you're giving your presentation next week. So let's take a look at what we have in Module 5.5. So the first part of Module 5.5 is our Tuesday check-in. Now I called our Tuesday check-in, but actually this is going to be a Skype call that you are going to have with your partner sometime during the week. So if you are able to get it done by Tuesday, that's wonderful, but I only require that it's done by Sunday. So I'd like you to Skype with your partner and talk about how your project has been going and to discuss a few ideas about your project. And then after your session, you're going to capture a screenshot of your Skype session and write a short 200-word reflection on what you and your partner talked about. This week you're also going to work on getting ready for the speech itself. So I know many of you have taken a speech course and you've had chances to give speeches in the past, but I've provided you a few links with some tips and organizational ideas for getting ready for your speech. So you can take a look at these for some more information. And then by Thursday this week, I want you to outline your speech. For your outline, it doesn't need to be typed in paragraph form where you would simply read it. I'm looking more for a bulleted outline that's going to include the main sections with your ideas underneath. So your final presentation should be 20 to 30 minutes in length, so keep that in mind as you're outlining what you are going to talk about during that time period. So the required sections are listed here for you. They're the same sections that we've been working on over the past few weeks in our preparation. So these are the ones that you're going to talk about also in your presentation. You can add more, but you are at least required to have these sections covered. Alright, so that is due by Thursday. Also, to help you prepare, you're going to create your visual guide. Your visual guide can be any visual aid. So I've given you a few ideas of using either a PowerPoint presentation, a display board like one of those science fair boards, a keynote, Prezi, a poster, just something that you can use during your presentation for your audience to be able to see things that you're talking about. Now for your visual component, you should have your key points, your graphs, your pictures. Try to be very tasteful. Don't over type or over saturate your visual with words. It's much better to have it short and succinct, and then that way you have more to talk about as you're actually giving your presentation.